This is day one, take one of me trying to make an NFT every day using generative artificial intelligence. I'm going to look up Dolly, and I'm going to be trying to use Dolly. The easiest one is this crayon. And what's been a theme of today? Word of today is companion. Sunset companions, because it's sunset right now in Buenos Aires. Sunset companions in Buenos Aires. This is the longest part, and so while this is getting set up, I'm gonna try to do the rest of setting up the token. We're gonna name this day one. Break, but it's not Thanksgiving yet. It's Thanksgiving Eve. Thanksgiving Eve. That should be the name of the generation. It should be Thanksgiving Eve. Maybe I should add that to the beginning. Thanksgiving Eve. It's definitely not gonna update. I'll need to do it again, but maybe I will in a new tab. We'll take the same domain. That looks quite beautiful, so I'm pretty happy with our results so far. I'm gonna do another one with the exact same entry, but add Thanksgiving Eve in front of it, and we're gonna see how it comes out. Paste, draw. These are quite pretty. I like this one. This is the one we're gonna download for now, unless there's something that comes up that we like more. Thanks. Thanks Eve. Upload art. We're gonna go to our downloads. Thanksgiving Eve, Buenos Aires. For music, I'm gonna go to CC0 Music. It's mostly upbeat stuff, so this is not necessarily gonna match the vibe I'm looking for, but I'll jump through to a couple of them. Let's see what little beat number 6 and 5 are, because I definitely have already tried 1 through 3. This feels like it. This is it. That's it. Okay. Let me flip the sales state, or can I just click mint? Sale must be active. Okay. Let me flip the sales state. Button not working. Let's try refreshing. Button not working. Aw, that's gonna be a hard fail. Uncaught in promise. Let me see. 2 lowercase. Okay, so it looks like my address, my wallet might not be connected right. Let's try disconnecting our wallet. That might be a bug. Let's disconnect. Connect. MetaMask. This is definitely friction. What happened here? This is why we test things out. This is why we record videos of us testing it out, and then we publish those videos regardless of whether or not it works. Because when stuff breaks, it's good to talk about it. There's something wrong with 2 lowercase, and so I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna write a ticket and get this fixed. But for now, I should be able to go over to polygonscan.com and manually do this. I think I can still finish this in less than 10 minutes for the total runtime of having the idea that I wanted to AI generate a music NFT to actually having it published and sold so that it can be a digital collectible on Instagram. Flip sales state, boom. Once sales state is flipped, as soon as that transaction goes through, we can mint. It's unfortunate that it cuts off the stream. This is why we need a global provider for the audio, so that even if the screen changes, it can continue to play. But it does look like I'm able to mint now. We're just at 9 minutes. The transaction started, so as long as the transaction takes less than a minute, we will have minted an NFT that is entirely generative art. CC0. We're all good. We've minted. That's it, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.